Retired Session Judge Aribam Nautineshwari Devi today stressed on the need to inculcate value system in the society that promotes civil, disciplined etiquettes along with self-respect and reverence for elders. Aribam Nautineshwari was speaking while attending the Anti-Repression Day observation, which was organized by MDU Hall in Yeshkul, Policeland today. Speaking further in the program, Aribam Nautineshwari lauded the role of mothers who took part in various movements that had taken place in the state. It may be mentioned that Anti-Repression Day is observed to remember the historic protest of 12 interpret mothers who staged a protest by disrobing themselves in front of Kangla Fort on July 15, 2004 against the custodial rape and murder of Thangjam Manorama. As a part of observation, gifts were presented to mothers who took part in the historic protests.
Lan se atay lamdal lan tawbadi nipi angang se loina thaidok nei natra adubo akhoi Manipur dedi ima maira paibi singthina songchan na mamang thare raga akhoi loina lan changi aduna ima maira paibi Manipur gi sidi masigi thongna sidi akhoi na singthabada loibang ngammaroi aduna akhoi na masidei sida akhoi na hogala iba akhoi na haron singna akhoi ima singsibu yungi ima mangne khanba ise isan ne khalle raga yamne bebhar loire ga tawraga di akhoi gi moral se aduki matik wangani haibo pham je thamjage.